Oh, this is the one. Ooh, Knight Rider lights and all. The front part is from V4. Black Zetsu. Ooh. Review for December 2025. जिनको पता होगा कि पापा कुछ 1-2 हफ्ते पहले हांगकांग से वापस आए. I'm not flexing and all. I just want to showcase one of the few things which I got from Hong Kong. One of the reasons which I travel is to buy motorcycle gear. So this is my old boot. Falco का 2 साल पहले लिया था और इसका सोल निकल गया था. The toe guard that also came out and I was still using it on track and all. तो अभी मैंने ट्रैवल किया हांगकांग and then I got a replacement for this boot. अब मैं इसको यूज नहीं करता, फेंक दूंगा. Now I got this boot, the Alpine Stars SMX 6 V3. This is the latest model. I've used it only once now on the track. Already गंदा कर चुका हूँ मैं. But a lovely boot and I was waiting to pick up this boot from long time. This one costed me around 24,000 there. दूसरी चीज लेकर आया हूँ मैं, वो मस्त वाली चीज है. So I got myself a drone from DJI. Yes, DJI Neo 2. एंड हांगकांग में मेरे को बहुत सस्ता पड़ा ये. मेरे को पड़ा ये 25,000 रुपीज का वहां पे विद द बैटरीज, एक्स्ट्रा बैटरी, फ्लाई मोर कॉम्बो. यू नो, वेरी वेरी सिंपल टू यूज एंड गुड क्वालिटी, मोर देन इनफ फॉर इंस्टाग्राम एंड स्टफ. पहला वीडियो हमारा CS सैडलर की तरफ से. दिस इज हिज एडवेंचर 390 वर्जन 1. चेक आउट द पेंटिंग. आई थिंक ऑल हैंड पेंटेड, साउथ इंडिया एस्थेटिक्स. फ्रेम भी रेड कलर किया है. If you don't know CS Sadler, he's very renowned in the off-roading scene in India. Check out his channel, CS Sadler. Some crazy off-roading stuff. He's like the Poltares of India, I can say. अब लोग बोलेंगे Poltares कौन है? IBW में आ रहे हैं Poltares भाई. उनका भी वीडियो जाके देखिए. बहुत खतरनाक चीजें करते हैं वो Yamaha Tenere पे. The forks have been changed or what on this? Exhaust. I'll feel the chat. चैट की फील और अपनी फील को लगा के हम लोग मॉड को रेट करेंगे. ठीक है, लेट्स गो. चैट की फीलिंग मैं समझ रहा हूं. आई थिंक 5 makes sense. 5 spark plug for CS Sadler's Adventure 390 Enduro mod, we can call it. Hand painted Enduro mod. Okay, I don't think so this is an Indian mod, but check it out. Okay, this is from Yokan. And which bike is this? Oh, proper hipster. Dude, what bike is that? Is that a boxer engine? This looks so executive, man. So CEO. It has such a cool feeling to it. Check out that. Oh, it's a BMW. It is a boxer engine. I don't know which motorcycle is it. Steve Jobs of motorcycle. Well put. Can say that. Check out that number plate holder, yaar. Like a swirl. Wow. Check out this leather parts. What is this? What is that for? Fuel pressure? What is that? It just oozes coolness, hippiness. इससे अच्छी मेरी स्प्लेंडर है. देखो, शुरू हो गए. You know, golden sprocket pen for aesthetics. Even the tank feels like it's a leather. Now some motherfucker gonna try this on his GT Lamason. No, some motherfucker be like, I have done better mods than this. आजकल मैं देख रहा हूँ बहुत लोग कमेंट करते हैं. You should see mine. Mine is better. Dude, we are not having competition. Everyone's mod is different. Everyone has a different vision. And it's such a stupid comment which I get sometimes on my reels and all. Nobody is looking at your marks and all. कुछ क्या मत दियो. Is from Indian Enduro. Okay, let's check out his X-Pulse mod. Lot of stickers. I like it. Off-road bike without stickers. नहीं जमता. क्या बात. Oh, check out the headlamp. Norufumi exhaust. Yeah. Pivot turns and all. Yeah. क्या बात. Cool. Check out the headlamp. Damn. What it looks like. It reminds me of Minion. By the way, this one is called pivot turn. This is a important skill to learn when you're doing off-roading. Oh, he has extended his beak also. Okay, that's cool. That's the first time I'm seeing that. What does the sticker says? Street legalish. Nice. I love the sticker. It is not legalish from any angle. Especially with that Norufumi exhaust. That. Chalo. चार लग रहा है मेरे को. I am around 4 and 5, mostly 4. So yeah, it makes sense, man. I am getting the feel from the chat, and even I was feeling the same. I think no, it's going to 5 spark plugs because Indian Enduro is the subscriber of Papa's channel, and that is the rule. You get 5 spark plugs unless you have wheel covers. And he couldn't put wheel covers because he has X-Pulse, and X-Pulse के टायर के wheel cover के साइज नहीं आता है. दादागिरी, अरे पूरा दादागिरी. Let's go next. Oh god, check out this R15, dude. Is it a R15? It is. No, wait. Is it a R15 or is it something else? It is a R15 V4. Wow. And this is from, I think it's from Bangladesh. Oh, it's a R15 V4? Because I saw the console is from V3. I'm confused. It looks amazing. Check out my console. Console looks like from V3 only. But the front part is from V4. Black Zetsu. Ooh. That gloss green wrap. Wow. And it's a fatter tire also, I feel. What else is there which I'm missing? Something I'm missing. Oh, double disc in the front. Oh, I was never a fan of that, but okay, fine, it looks cool. It makes the bike look bigger. Dude, is it even a R15 or is it something else? This is the tail light. Oh, this is the turn indicators on the side. That's a cool design, yaar. This dampener also. The braking system only has been changed. RR15. Yeah, RR15. Very clean spec and very well designed RR. Yeah, man. By the way, सुना आपने कि R2 भी आने वाली इंडिया में? Again, not an Indian mod. अगर ये Indian mod होता तो this is 100% a golden sprocket, man. Oh, winglets also we missed it. Actually, winglets are going so well that I didn't even notice winglets are there. Oh, another check this out. Tron kit करके ये है. When the knight meets the beast. Okay. Whoa, check out the front, dude. Is this a race kit or something or what? Or homemade body panels and all? This is also R15 V4. God damn, people do some crazy stuff with R15s, man. That's why I really want to own one R15, especially the V4. It looks so damn good. And where is this guy from? Is he from Meghalaya or something? I think he's from northeast side. Oh, he's from Kochi. He's from Kerala. It's a Kerala mod. I'm so sorry. Kerala mod को मैंने इधर-उधर कर दिया. Please forgive Papa.
भारी मिस्टेक हो गया सर.
केरला वाले दिल पे ले लेंगे. The body panel which is designed looks damn cool. Looks like something from anime. What's the rear view mirror man? Again तुम लोग ना मॉड देखो यार. प्रैक्टिकलिटी मत देखो ना. अभी हम लोग थोड़ा चेकआउट करेंगे छप रही है कि नहीं है. हम लोग मॉड्स देख रहे हैं. मॉड्स doesn't have to be practical all the time. बंदे की मेहनत देखो. Exactly. Bike looks good, no doubt. Let's feel the chat. Chat क्या बोलती है? कितना स्पार्क प्लग देंगे इसको? 5 for जंगली बिल्ला. Nice. Chat का फीलिंग ले लिया and I'm even with the chat. This is a 5 spark plug. Check out Tron kit for his mod. ये देखिए स्कूटी नहीं बगीचा. वाह 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 वाह. ये ला मॉड देखिए. वाह 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 क्या बात है. दिल
गार्डन गार्डन हो रहा
नहीं स्कूटर गार्डन हो गई. एजियो लाइफ ने यहाँ पे कमेंट किया है. लगता है स्कूटी का फैंसी ड्रेस कंपटीशन है. See, रोस्टिंग हम लोग कर सकते हैं. रोस्टिंग करना इज नथिंग रॉन्ग. बीइंग सीरियस एंड देन पॉइंटिंग आउट प्रैक्टिकलिटी दैट इज स्टूपिड. रोस्टिंग करो एंटरटेनमेंट के लिए हंसो. दैट इज टोटली डिफरेंट फ्रॉम बीइंग सीरियस.
इसमें तो मधुमक्खी चिपक जाएगी और फिर गाड़ी कैसे चलाएंगे.
स्टॉप बीइंग सो सीरियस इन लाइफ. डीएल अरे दिल्ली की बाइक है. क्या बात है. दिल्ली की बाइक है. नो वंडर इट मेक्स सेंस मैन. ही वांट्स दैट फ्रेश ऑक्सीजन. गाड़ी में से गंदी गैसेस भी निकलेंगी उसको वो कन्वर्ट कर देगी ऑक्सीजन में. क्या बात है. I think we have found a solution to solve the pollution issues in North India, or especially in Delhi. This is a new engine norm or motorcycle norms. BS7 bikes are gonna come with bagichas. Bike eats AQI. This mod makes so much sense. Now this is a practical mod. ये ठुकेगी तो पुलिस वाला आएगा या फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंट वाले. Yeah, until a goat spots your active scooter. And this is a better option than electric scooters, man. Ather stocks down, Ola stocks are already down. Chat भी बोलती है 4 spark plug, पापा भी बोलते हैं 4 spark plug for Activa Bagicha edition. I have saved this reel from long back, which I've never been able to showcase, but obviously it's not from India, maybe from China side or something, I don't know. But what bike is this? I'm not able to understand. Is it Hayabusa? A lowered Hayabusa maybe? I wanted to ask chat, what do you think, which bike is this? It looks like an owl, but Hayabusa doesn't have that headlamp. Modified Activa 125. Oh, this is also Activa. ये इंडिया में चल ही नहीं सकती. इतनी लोअर्ड है ये. पॉटहोल को मारो गोली, हमको मारो गोली. नॉर्मल हमारी इंडिया की प्लेन सड़क इसको खराब कर दे. It's a type of scooty from Japan. Scooty? It's a scooty?
खाओ माँ कसम.
Modified maxi, you can say. What is this? This is from Night Shifter and KTM Duke fans. Okay, this is a KTM Duke. Which one is 200, 250? It's a 200. Nice mods. Check out the headlamp. You see the headlamp? See how it's pulsing and all. इतना गंदा क्लच कवर क्यों? ये खून क्यों इसके अंदर? And why there's moisture also inside, dude? Hopefully your engine oil is not mixing the coolant. Nah, hopefully. See, there's moisture inside. This looks shady to me.
कुछ ना कुछ तो गड़बड़ जरूर है.
गुटका क्लच है. गुटका क्लच कवर. Okay, maybe it's not mixing coolant. Maybe it's mixing gutka. Not a fan of this messy mod, so personally I'll give it 2. Okay, it looks cool. It looks different. I like the effort that has been put in. I like it personally. I like the headlamp mod especially. I love the first gen Dukes, man. Lovely bikes, man. And I love the sound of the first gen Dukes, man. I know a lot of people hated it, but personally I loved it. Because I have so many memories with that sound. A lot of people used to recognize me when I used to ride this motorcycle. For example, my wife. A lot of people used to remember. I have not seen any other motorcycle with that sound. Right? It is a very unique sound. You might like it, you might not like it, but it is a unique sound. And chat की feeling, अपनी feeling थोड़ा मिला के. I think 3 spark plugs Makes sense. 3 spark plugs for the mod from Night Shifter bhai. Where is he from, by the way? He does touring and all on it. Very nice, very nice. Some off-roading session on the Duke. Very nice. Oh, there you go. West Bengal. A mod from West Bengal. We figured it out. If he was a follower, that was a 5 spark plug, right, boys? He is a follower. God damn it. We are changing. I don't care about what chat has to say anymore. 5 spark plug. Screw you all. Screw your dictatorship. Next time भाई हमारे chat में नेपाल ना शुरू हो जाए भाई साहब. ये वाला channel डाउन कर दोगे तुम लोग. This is called Draken Stealth Mirror. High quality universal stealth mirrors. Okay. Stealth mirrors, you can close it also. Okay. It goes on your handlebar. Does it also go on your R15s and all? Very close to the accelerator. Very close to the handlebar. The quality looks good, man. Full metal. This is from Team Redditch. My problem with this mirror, it looks good. Build quality is good. Not sure about the visibility and all. My problem is with this mirrors, which I heard from people who have used similar kind of mirrors, is that, for example, आपने हाथ हटाया handlebar से, maybe you're doing something on your mobile, whatever reason you don't have both the hands or one hand on the handlebar, and suddenly something happens when you're going back to grab the handlebar. You have to make a fast reflex to go and hold the handlebar. There are chances that your hand might get stuck in that rear view mirror, right? Because you have to make a very precise motion to go for the handlebar. It might come in the way basically. So that's one of the reasons I don't like these low rear view mirrors which are very close to your handlebars. And if you're someone who never takes his hand from the handlebar, then I think should be fine. But the build quality looks nice. What do you think, guys? Look wise 5, okay? Yeah, that's what I'm saying. If this can be put on something like a fared motorcycle, works. Then I'll give it a 4 spark plug. This is mind blowing. Check it out. He has put a generator for the engine. He has replaced the engine with a generator. Dude, I think he has built a bike from scratch. He's not replaced the engine, dude. He has built a bike from scratch. Check out the frame, mudguard and all behind. Oh, khatarnak, bro. You don't have to kick it. You have to rotate it. Does it have gear? He's using his leg for the accelerator. Who is this guy, man? Gil Navjot06. Wow. Tractor tire hai, papa. Forget about tire, dude. He has built a bloody motorcycle from scratch with a generator as an engine. Swing arm and exhaust feels like merged. Oh yeah. Oh, that's a swing arm and the exhaust. Whoa, what is that? Is that a tank? What, he's going for a war? Dude, he really built all this stuff? Oh, dude. Okay, this guy is a evil scientist. Is that another generator? What is that? How do you write this? Send this guy for a competition or something, man. What is some AI generated stuff? No, it's not. I'm just saying. Oh, what is that? A nuclear bomb? See, he's building it from scratch. Oh, it's a gas cylinder. This is a CNG bike. Coming soon. Oh, it's an ongoing project. Can't wait, man. I'm gonna follow this guy. Crazy. Oh, it is the exhaust, man. The swing arm is the exhaust. Where's the swing arm, dude? Is that a swing arm? No, that's the exhaust. Oh my god, now I have better look at it. This is a hidden gem we just found out on this channel. I didn't know. I just randomly saved this. Dude, where is the suspension? Is there any suspension on this? Or are you just taking it like a boss? Oh, I think the seat has suspension. No suspension. Suspension is equal to your spine. I'm gonna bring it out. This hands down the golden sprocket. Boys, let's go. Pataka wataka phodo. Editor saab. What is this? Crystal painting it's called, okay? This is the process, crystal painting. What are those but? This is from Candy Paints, by the way. Crystal painting. Oh, wow. It came out so well. Wow, this looks so cool. I don't know how do you do this. What are these? Fiberglass? We're gonna do for this one. Should this mod trend or die? Chat बताएगा trend और die करना है इसका, ठीक है? Chat trend. Okay. Let's go. Trend stocks. I think I'm with the chat. Chat is saying trend. Let's do it. Trend. Maybe we can do it on my next project bike, right? Let's go. Let's see more of these, man. This is RX cut tank, maybe. Oh, you have to put one by one. Oh, this is a huge process. One by one, you have to put each strand. I thought he just threw it on the tank and just started painting on top. You have to put one by one each strand. Satisfying. Oh, that's what. These videos are so satisfying for watch. those 3 AM videos where those jungly people are going to jungle and making some stuff like swimming pool and all. Follow Dabao G. It's not a small channel, dude. I just found him. 396k followers. God damn. Okay, let's go next one. Oh, this is from our Bhai Sahab. This is from Autolog. This is the shotgun that they have modded and showcased at Rider Mania, and they won competition also. Damn killer it looks, man. There's a wheel cover though. But forget about that. Let me tell you what all it has. Oh, this is the one. Woo! Night Rider lights and all. Whoa, check out the winglets on this. Oh, it has this Moto gadget. This console, super expensive, some 50-60 grand. Turn indicators looks like fins. Oh, that's the Autolog wheel cover. Aesthetic वाला wheel cover है. एक और चीज मैं कंफर्म करना चाहूंगा, किसी ने मेरे को पैसे नहीं दिए हैं इनका जाके मॉड रिव्यू करने के लिए. He has been an old follower of Papa's channel. ओके, ऑटोलॉग डिजाइन. या पापा कुछ भी नहीं हुआ करते थे तब से पापा को फॉलो करते हैं. इसमें क्या क्या मॉड्स किए हैं, लेट मी जस्ट रीड इट आउट टू यू. ओके, दे हैव फोर्स्ड कार्बन कस्टम बॉडी. कार्बन बॉडी, आर यू सीरियस? Twin winglets, okay, winglets are there. Olin suspension upgrade. Pirelli Rosso 4 tires. Custom exhaust. Custom CNC machine aluminium subframe. 3D printed seat. Nitrous oxide purge kit. What the hell is that? They have NOS installed on this. Keyless entry. Oh, they have keyless also on this. God damn. There's a Moto Gadget speedometer which we talked about. Obviously, they can do it because they have a bloody factory. So don't feel discouraged and all. Okay? But amazing stuff, man. This doesn't look like from any angle a Royal Enfield. राइडर मेरिया में इनका ऑलरेडी रेटिंग हो चुका है, इनको ऑलरेडी मिल चुका है इनाम. हम क्या इनको इनाम देंगे? हैं घंटा देना होता तो गोल्डन स्प्रॉकेट पक्का था. इनाम देते हम लोग अपना तो -1 फॉर व्हील कवर तो पड़ता है. आई नो इट्स एस्थेटिक एंड ऑल, बट क्या कर सकते हैं, मजबूर हैं हम लोग. हमारे हाथ जो है बंधे हुए हैं बिकॉज ऑफ द रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस of this channel. It is considered evil. Okay, this one also we're gonna do trend or die. Let's watch it and then we'll do trend or die for this mod. These are levers. Okay, you don't hold a sharp edge. I'm sure it's not very sharp, but it's very pointy though. It can take out someone's eye or someone's headlamp. Okay, good. At least they have put lever guard protector so that it can protect others from this lever. Is that legal? I don't think so. Looks more like a bloody knife. Feels more like a weapon than a lever to me. It's adjustable though. 6th level of adjustability. And it's protected. You are protected from this lever. You. Chat. Trend or die. Break nahi self-defense. Yeah, that also can work, man. You can just take out the lever for self-defense. Motovlog unboxing. Oh, that will be nice, man. A lever which works as a knife and I can use it during my unboxing videos. Wow. Wow. A bulb just appeared over my head. Trend. Okay, trend. People are writing trend. Side se koi cut nahi marega. That's a good one, yes. As long as you are putting lever protectors to protect others from this lever, it can trend.
Round and round, round and round, the wheels on the bike go round and round, all through the town.